As a data analyst, you can spend up to 80% of your time working on cleaning and preparing data for analysis. So let's do a practice problem together. If we haven't met yet, my name is Luis, and I'm here to help you break into data analytics or improve your analytics skills. In this video, we're going to be using my favorite website to practice data preparation, which is preppingdata.com. Preppingdata.com is a completely free platform that offers weekly data preparation challenges to help data analysts improve their data wrangling skills. If you want to follow along, we're going to be going over the challenge from week 2 of 2023, international bank account numbers. And we're going to solve it using Tableau Prep. So this challenge basically tasks us with creating what is called an IBAN, or international bank account number, for a British bank. The IBAN is made up of 5 parts: a country code, check digits, bank code, a sort code, and the account number. Thankfully, we have all the information we need contained in 2 data sources. One is a list of transactions with information about the receiving bank accounts. It contains a transaction ID, the account number, the sort code, and the bank name. The other source is a lookup table for the bank code. We're going to use this later to tie the bank name to a bank code, and also contains the check digits. The requirements for this exercise are the following: input the data, remove the dashes from the sort code field in the transactions table, use the Swift bank code lookup table to bring in additional information about the Swift code and check digits of the receiving bank account. Add a field for the country code, create the IBAN as described earlier, remove any unnecessary fields, and output the data. So let's go ahead and boot up Tableau Prep. The first step calls for inputting the data into Tableau Prep, so we're just going to click on Connect to Data, and I know there's CSV files, so I'm just going to click Text File, and I'm going to select the 2 files that were included in the problem. Gonna zoom in here for you guys. And now we can see we have the Swift codes file and the transactions file. And both of these are CSVs. So that's the first step done. We've inputted the data. Then we have to go to the transactions file and remove the dashes from the sort code. So to do that, I'm going to hit the plus icon here, add a clean step, and you can see all the columns in that table. So that transaction ID, account number, sort code, and bank. And if you see here, sort code's got 10-01-98 and so on. So the requirement is for us to remove the dashes from the sort code. So thankfully, it's very easy to do that in Tableau Prep. I'm just going to hit the 3 dots here, clean, and remove punctuation. And just like that, you can see all the dashes are removed. And now the requirement is complete. Next up, we need to join the Swift codes table to our transaction table to bring in the bank code and the check digits. To do this, we need to make a join. So to do that, I'm just going to grab the Swift codes here and drag and drop that, and I'm going to hit join after the clean one that we did. And if we look at the join clause, we're going to join the bank name from our transactions table to the bank name in our Swift codes table. And if we look down here, we can see it shows us that no results were left out, right? So an inner join works in this situation. Now, if you hit clean step, we can look at our table, how it's looking after the join. We can see we've got our bank. If we click Barclays, we can see the Swift code is Bark and the check digits are 22 for that. If we look at HSBC, we can see that the Swift code is HBUK and the check digits is 4B. So everything's looking good so far. So that requirement is done. Now we need to add a field for the country code. Thankfully, all these transactions are in the UK, so the country code is just going to be GB for Great Britain. So all we need to do is create a calculated field. We're going to name it country code, and it's just going to say GB. We're going to hit save, and that added a new column called country code, which you can see down here, and every row says GB. So that requirement is now complete. And now we can create the IBAN. First, we're going to make sure that all the columns we need are strings so we can concatenate them together. So you can see the transaction ID here, it's a number. I'm going to make that a string. Same for the account number here, I'm going to make that a string. And everything else is looking good. They're all strings. All right, so now to really create that IBAN, I'm going to create a new calculated field. I'm going to name it IBAN. And if we remember the order, it's country code. So I'm going to bring that in, country code plus check digits plus Swift code plus sort code plus account number. And I'm going to hit apply and save. As you can see here, now we have a whole IBAN column. And let's make sure it's country code. We can see the check digits, the Swift code, the sort code, and the account number. It's all looking good. And now, if you remember, the output, it only wants the IBAN and the transaction ID. So what we can do is we're going to select IBAN, transaction ID, and I'm going to say keep only fields. And then I'm just going to rearrange this to be transaction ID first, and then IBAN. And then we'll add an output. And that's it. Once you're finished, you can fill out the participation tracker and post your solution on Twitter or in the Tableau forums. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions and follow me for more data content.